Hello, good morning everyone, my dear students. In the last video, we had discussed about estimation and how to round up the numbers to the nearest tens. Today, in this video, we are going to learn to round up the numbers to the nearest hundreds. The rules are very common. If I will take some examples, you will easily understood how it has been done. As you can see, rounding up the number to the nearest hundreds. Remember, today we are going to learn how to round up the given number to the nearest hundreds. Taking some example, 675. Now you have to understand in which number we have to round up. Nearest hundred. Start reading the number ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. So we have to round off the number 675 to the nearest hundred. So our observing digit will be tens place. Our observing digits will be tens place. So I will replace 5 and 7 by 0. Look here. 5 will be 0. 7 will be 0 and observing digit is 7. In the last video I have told you very clearly, if observing digit is more than 5, we have to add here 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So rounding of 675 to the nearest hundred is 700. Another example, 457. 457. Observing digit is ones, tens. Observing digit is ones and tens. Replace 7 by 0. Replace 5 by 0. And since observing digit is 5, so we will add here 1. 4 plus 1 become 5. So 457 become 500. Another example, now 679. Observing digit is 7. 9 become 0. 7 will also become 0. Observing digit is more than 5. So we will add here 1. 7 plus 6 plus 1 become 7. So rounding off the number nearest 100 is 700. Some more examples. Now 435. Observing digit is 3. Again I will tell you why this number is observing digit. Start reading. We have to round up the number nearest 100. Start reading ones, tens, 100. This number we have to round off, so observing digit take at tens place. 5 will be 0. 3 will also be 0. And the rule is that when observing digit is less than 5, no need to add here anything. So 4 will be 4. So nearest number 435 is 400. Now I will take some more examples. I will take some bigger number and rules will be the same. We have to round up the given number nearest 100. So ones, tens, 100 and observing digit is 8. 5 will be replaced by 0. 8 also will be replaced by 0. And since observing digit is more than 5, so we will add here 1. 6 plus 1 becomes 7 and the number will be here. Rounding of 7685 to the nearest 100 is 7700. I don't think there is any problem or any confusion. Again taking another number, 7085. I will take different types of examples so that This will become clear to all of you. Observing digit will be tens. Once tens observing digit is 8. This number will be replaced by 0. 8 will also replace by 0, and we will add 1 here. Why? Because I told you in the tens place observing digit it is more than 5. If this number is more than 5, you have to add here 1 plus 0 added 1, and rest of the number will remain same. So nearest 100 is 7085 is 7100. Other example like this way. Observing digit is ones tens. This observing digit, this number will be replaced by 0, 0 will be replaced by 0, and since observing digit is less than 5, no need to add here, means 0. 4 plus 0 will become 4, and rest of the number will here. 2400 is the nearest number. How much bigger number you can take doesn't matter. Suppose that I will take more bigger number, 68,768. Okay, observing digit ones tens, this is, and replacing 8 by 0, and 6 will also be 0, but since this number is greater than 5, we will add here 1. 7 plus 1 become 8, and rest of the number will be remain. I hope student you are understood properly. Now another number 4135. Observing digit is ones tens. This number 5 will be replaced by 0, 3 will be replaced by 0, and since this number observing number is less than 5, no need to add here, so 1 will be 1 and 4 will be 4. So nearest number to the 100 is 4100. I will take some more example to the nearest thousands. Same procedure will be follow. Rounding of the numbers to the thousands. Rounding up the numbers to the thousands. How? Taking number. You can see the example 4876. We have to round it to the nearest thousands. Start reading ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This whole number we have to rounding of nearest thousand. So observing digit become hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds place. Now as I told you, we have to compare this observing digit by 5. So you can see 6 will be replaced by 0, 7 will also replace by 0, 8 will also replace by 0. But this point you have to remember that if this observing digit is more than 5, we have to add here 1. 4 plus 1 become 5. So rounding of the given number to the nearest thousand is 5000. Taking some another example. Now observing digit is ones, tens, hundred. Again this number will be replaced by 0, this number will be replaced by 0, 7 also replaced by 0, and since this observing digit is more than 5, we will add here 6 plus 1 become 7. So nearest number of 6765 become 7000. Another example 4135. We have to round up this number. Start from reading here ones, tens, hundred. Observing digit we have found 1. Replacing this number by 0, 3 will become 0, 1 also will become 0. So since this number is less than 5, 1 is less than 5, no need to add here anything. The whatever number it belong to remain here. So rounding of 4135 to the nearest thousand is 4000. Some more example. 75,176. Same procedure will be followed. Once tens hundred, you can see that observing digit is 1, doesn't matter. Replace 6 by 0, replace 7 by 0, replace 1 by 0. Since this observing digit is less than 5, no need to add here anything. So 5 and 7 will be remain. So nearest rounding of number of 75,176 is 75,000. Another example. Now I have taken this number. Once tens hundred, you can see observing digit is 7 and which is more than 5. So 5 replaced by 0, 2 replaced by 0, 7 also replaced by 0, and this is greater than 5, so add here 1. 5 plus 1 become 6. This number will remain here. So you can see that 35,725 nearest number rounding off in hundreds is 36,000. One more example. Like this way. Okay. Now we have to round up the given number 36,057 to the nearest thousand. How? Procedure will be same. First of all, we have to find out observing digit. What is observing digit to the rounding of nearest thousand is ones, tens, hundred. This place is 100. Now replace the given digits by 0. 7 will become 0, 5 will become 0, and 0 will become 0. Since this number is less than 5, no need to add here anything, and the remaining number will be here. So nearest number rounding of 36,057 is 36,000. Students, I think in this video and the previous video I had told you about the estimation. You have to understood that estimation is nearest number, not a fixed number, because as we have seen that many times such occasions are coming where counting number is not possible, and so we have to another way of counting such type of number. This is called estimation. In your syllabus up to 1000 is enough. I had explained you to find out, to round up the number nearest tens, to round up the number nearest hundreds, to round up the numbers nearest thousands. So I hope you have all understood.